working.
Welcome to Corban's Fun Learning Adventures. Hi! Welcome to Corban's Fun Adventures and Learning. I'm Corban and that's Mommy.
Hi! And today we're going to be doing a simple science project to show you how your lungs work. So,
Stay tuned.
stay tuned. Okay, so the first step is Corban has a large straw here and he has two bendy straws. And he's going to put the two bendy straws into the large straw, keeping the bendy parts of the straws out. So he's going to show you that.
And this is what it should look like.
All right, let's go to the next step.
Next step.
Now, Corban is going to attach these two balloons to the end of the straw here, and we're going to secure it with a rubber band. Okay, you see here that we attached the rubber bands here to the balloons. The balloons are attached to the straw, and we have the rubber bands here securing it. So we'll go to the next step.
Ask an adult to cut off the bottom of a water bottle. Like this.
We also used a craft knife to cut a hole in the bottle cap here. All right, and an adult should do that. We'll go to the next step. Okay, so you see now that Corban is sliding the straw up. We put the bottle cap on with the hole in it, and he's pushing the straw up through the hole, and he's making sure that the balloons are inside the bottle. So we slid it up through the bottom of the bottle where the hole is and in through the bottle cap.
And this is what it should look like. The straw was kind of long, so we cut it. We cut a large balloon, and now we're gonna put the end of it on a bottle.
All right, so we put the balloon on the end of the bottle here, and we'll go to the next step.
Now I'm gonna blow into the straw.
And we're gonna watch the lungs fill with air. The balloons represent the lungs.
Thanks for watching. Bye.
And remember to subscribe.
Bye.